If you guys want to see how I did this easy watermelon cut crease, keep on watching.
I don't want to do you wrong. Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the flies of them all?
We're about to get right in this. I just have already one eye done. I'm going in with this Morphe M200 buffing brush into the Juvias Place Masquerade palette and hitting in that green, taking it a little bit above the crease as my transition. I'm just going to go back and forth using windshield wiper motions. It's not hard. This is going to be super easy. I'm going to go in the color one more time just to give it a little more pigment. I also did prep with Too Faced Shadow Insurance. Now I'm going with my Tarte Shape Tape and a small little brush to cut out that crease. Just watch what I'm doing right here. It's really easy. Just slowly go higher and higher and make sure you definitely do what I'm doing at the outer V's so it wings out a little bit. Just watch. See, and I pull my skin, especially for us mature friends, so that I don't have any creasing. Then I'm going to go in with this cheap e.l.f. brush and hit that fluorescent pink color. That's going to be like the fruit of the watermelon. And I'm going to make sure all the pigment mostly stays in the middle and then blend out the outsides and keeping a little space in between where I laid the cut crease and the green, kind of like to replace the rind of the watermelon. Then I'm going to add a little bit more pigment right on the lid, but not in the inner corner. Then I'm going to buff it out with this Real Techniques crease brush so that it just looks blended beautifully. And we're like done. Like now I'm going to go in with my Soft Glam palette and hit my brow bone and my inner corner highlights. Then I'm going to go back into that green on the lower lash line with the Morphe E36 brush. Really easy, and I'm going to take it up to that line so that it matches. And then any fallout that I got, I'm just going to sweep it away. Then I'm going in with this Glitter Pop by Too Faced and just going to outline the rind of the watermelon, add a little sparkle. It has a little bit of a green tint, so I thought that it would look good. And then I'm going to take it a little bit down the V, just give it a little bit more you know what I'm saying. Then I'm going to go with this Milani liquid eyeliner so I can make the seeds, so to speak, in my watermelon. I made them a little long so that they would kind of like replicate lashes. Then I'm going in my Benefit Bad Girl Bang mascara. I feel like if I'm not wearing falsies, this is the best mascara to make my lashes have a lot of volume and length. I'm going to take them to the lower lash too. And then I'm just going to add some HOOLA matte bronzer with this, you know, brushed all over my contour line. Then I'm going to go in with this Hello Kitty Colourpop Fun with Friends color. It was the perfect berry color for this look. Just going to buff that in. Then I'm going to fan it out with this Eco Tools fan brush. Then I'm going to spray my Urban Decay Chill Spray so that all the powder disappears. And then I'm going to go into this Master Chrome Rose Gold Highlight by Maybelline on my Morphe M501 brush. And I'm just going to take that so we have like a pinkish tone highlighter. It's out of control. Look at that. And this is a drugstore highlighter, y'all. What more can you ask for? But then just to make it have a little bit of a green tint, after I fan it out with this Eco Tools fan brush, soften it up, I'm going to go in with this green tint highlighter in the Aurora palette called Helia. I'm going to put it on top of that rose gold just to give it like watermelon vibes. I'm feeling it. I'm here for it. Please, sister. Then I'm going to just take it down my nose, Cupid's bow, you know, and then I'm going to go back in with the Ecos tool and blend both highlighters perfectly. And that's it for highlighter. Then I'm deciding what color lip I want to wear. So I swatched them. One is the Clinique Big Jumbo Pencil and the other is the Stila Liquid Lip. I'm going to put the Clinique on first, but I am going to end the finished look with the Stila because I like a liquid lip because it lasts longer. And it was more of a like berry watermelon color. But I just want you guys to see the look with the Big Jumbo Lip. But I end up finishing off with the Stila. I love Stila liquid lips. They're so comfortable and they stay on all day. So that's why I chose it. And this is the finished look. I love you guys so much. This is so easy. I'll leave all the products in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you. Peace.